Every Clobotics SmartView cooler solution comes with dual cameras, door sensors and hub components. One hub supports up to 3-door cooler. Dual cameras and door sensors are installed on each cooler door. Connect the hub to the power supply. Long press the power switch to turn on the hub. Move the hub around the cooler to find where the signal is the strongest with minimal signal interference. Dual cameras should be installed in the middle section, right next to the door frame where it is opened and closed. The top camera is positioned in the middle of the upper half of the cooler. The bottom one is positioned in the middle of the lower half. Adjust the position according to the cooler height. Clean the glass door where the camera will be placed. Peel off the adhesive tape on the device base. Press device firmly to the cooler door. Unscrew the battery with a torque screw drive provided in the toolkit. Now, peel off the paper on the camera. Install the upper and lower camera according to the base position. Verify battery level. 2 lights indicate the charging is required. 4 lights indicate a full battery. Install the battery. Open the app on your mobile phone. Select On-Site Install. Select Via Hub Connection. Scan the QR code on the hub. Click Connect Wi-Fi. Choose the right cooler type. Scan the cooler asset code, then the camera code. Choose the correct door open direction. Click OK to confirm. Complete the activation. Attach the hub securely onto the cooler where the signal is the strongest. Complete the installation process.